I filmed these in December of 2018. I got a SmartComfort and two Goodmans.
Two Goodmans series.
Coleman reciprocating compressor. And this SmartComfort has an LG scroll, so that's too bad, but
I bet you that SmartComfort replaced Nordyne's Goodmans.
yeah, most likely. And it's from 2017, and it's a 310. So. And then there's a few more Goodmans over there as well.
A few more CKL series Goodmans.
Another Coleman reciprocating compressor. Data on a rusty. Oh, that's got a Tecumseh reciprocating compressor. Yeah.
This one in the middle has a Tecumseh reciprocating.
Alright, this is a 2-ton from 2001.
And it's got a heat fan motor.
Yep. Nice units. Micro channel, yeah. And the panel's been taken off of it.
There's the front capacitor and contactor.
Here's one more SmartComfort right here. And it has a, no, it has a Coleman scroll. Nice. This is actually a nice one.
That one's really comes recip.
Two more Goodmans right here. Yep, another Tecumseh recip. And then, alright, this SmartComfort is from 2018. It's a 2-ton. So. Alright. And then, let's see if this one's got data on it. Oh, it does, and it has a, it's a Payne. This one's a Payne.
What? That's a Payne?
Yeah.
Wait.
We've got Goodmans over there, not going to go with those, and here's an Evcon right here. Micro channel, nothing special at all. Here's a little tiny Coleman Evcon right here.
Here we have a Coleman Evcon and a Janitrol.
Sucks this one doesn't have a logo, but still, it's a nice unit. It's got a Bristol compressor. It looks just like my York. Here's a Payne right here, Payne Teardrop, old one. This one looks to have a reciprocating compressor. Actually, it might be it's a Coleman. And then here's an MSH Legacy right here. It's got a Coleman scroll. Nice. I've noticed that these MSH Legacies usually do have Coleman scrolls. I don't think I've seen one yet with an LG. And then right here's an old Janitrol.
Here's the data for the Coleman panels off of it. So.
Oh, found that?
No, it's gone.
Here's a Janitrol that has a logo on it.
I've never seen one with the logo still on it.
Yep.
These always fall off.
Yeah. It's got a Bristol compressor. Here's an Evcon right here. There's a bunch of people over there. You know, I've noticed people don't really care around here because there's been a lot of people that have seen us, but they just don't care.
The whole thing on here was cracked, and they tried to fix it with this.
Yeah, you're right.
See how the lid is cracked? Yeah, that's the problem with these.
Alright, Goodman, there's another Payne right there. it's got a Coleman reciprocating compressor.
Payne XB1000.
It's Payne's from '96.
Payne Teardrop.
2-ton. Little XB1000 right here. Goodman. Sounds like something might be running too.
Yeah, I was just about to say I hear a recip over there.
Yeah. Goodman, there's another Payne.
Old school Bristol. Or Coleman, that looks like a
This is
Coleman.
another Payne.
Is it a Payne?
Yeah. Somebody sneezing over there. Here's a Payne Teardrop right here, which is really rusty. Alright, here we have another Payne. It does not have the logo. And then here's a York.
It looks like a Coleman.
Yeah, it's probably a Coleman Evcon with a Bristol. The data is too faded on it. Yeah, can't really see the data. Here's a Guardian. Yeah, so this is probably a Coleman Evcon right here.
This is most likely a Coleman.
Yeah. And then a little Goodman right there. Yeah, here's another Whirlpool right here.
This is the second one in complex. Pretty rare.
Yeah, it is.